Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate packing guide to ensure you have a stress-free travel experience. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, packing efficiently can make or break your trip. And we're going to run through some crucial do's and don'ts, those little things that make all the difference. Stick around because these tips and tricks are going to up your travel game. Let's get started. First things first, you got to make a list, and I'm not talking about some scribbles on a napkin. This is a meticulously crafted masterpiece, people. We're talking categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics, those weird little things you always forget, looking at your phone charger. Lay it all out. This list is your travel Bible. It's going to keep you organized, keep you sane, and most importantly, it's going to keep you from living out of that airport gift shop because you forgot your toothbrush. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an overflowing suitcase, trying to convince ourselves we need 4 pairs of heels for a weekend trip. Stop, resist the urge. That packing list you spent all that time on, stick to it. Think versatility, think multi-purpose items. And remember, a wrinkled shirt is a way better look than a sprained ankle from lugging around a suitcase that weighs more than you do. This is where things get revolutionary. Forget folding, we're rolling our clothes, people. Not only does this save space, it also helps prevent wrinkles. Think of it like origami, but for your wardrobe. Fold those shirts in half, lay them flat, and then roll them up tight. Pants, dresses, even underwear, it all gets the roll treatment. Trust me, your suitcase will thank you. Okay, this should go without saying, but you'd be surprised how many people forget the most important things. Passport? Check. Tickets? Check. Medications? Check, check, check. These are non-negotiables, people. Keep them together in a safe and accessible place, like a small pouch or a dedicated pocket in your carry-on. Losing your passport is not the kind of adventure you want on your trip. Packing cubes are a game changer. Imagine this. You open your suitcase and instead of a jumbled mess, everything is neatly organized in its own little compartment. That's the magic of packing cubes. They compress your clothes, maximize space, and make finding what you need a breeze. No more digging through your entire suitcase for a sock. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. All right, let's talk airport security. We've all been stuck behind that person who decides to pack a full-size bottle of shampoo in their carry-on. Don't be that person. Familiarize yourself with the TSA guidelines for prohibited items, liquids, sharp objects, flammable materials. Leave them at home, folks. The last thing you want is to get delayed or even worse, miss your flight because of a packing mishap. Delays happen, flights get cancelled, baggage gets lost. It's the not-so-glamorous reality of travel. But fear not, my friends, because we're prepared. Always pack a small bag with essentials in your carry-on. Think a change of clothes, some basic toiletries, your phone charger, maybe a snack or two. This way, even if disaster strikes, you'll have everything you need to survive until you're reunited with your luggage. Mother Nature doesn't negotiate. Check the forecast. You've booked your flights, you've packed your bags, you're ready to go. But wait, have you checked the weather forecast? Don't let Mother Nature catch you off guard. Pack for the climate you're traveling to. Raincoat for London, check swimsuit for Bali, check. A little bit of weather preparedness goes a long way in ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable trip. This one's a no-brainer, people. Your valuables, passport, wallet, phone, laptop, they belong with you at all times. Never check them in. Keep them in your carry-on bag where you can keep an eye on them, and for extra security, consider using a money belt or a hidden pouch to keep your most important documents safe from pickpockets. We've all been there, scrambling to pack at the last minute, throwing things in our suitcase with reckless abandon. But trust me, packing in a frenzy is a recipe for disaster. Give yourself plenty of time, a day or two before your trip is ideal. This way you can pack thoughtfully, double-check your list, and avoid that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've forgotten something crucial. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Packing doesn't have to be a chore. With a little planning and organization, you can pack like a pro and enjoy a stress-free trip. Now get out there and explore the world. Safe travels.